Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could change your Microsoft Windows 10 account picture. So probably you have the default picture when you sign into your Windows computer and you would like to change it. So first let's go to our search tab and let's type settings. We'll open the trusted application and here we will go to accounts, and under your info you will have to click create your picture. You will have to browse for one. We'll click on this option. I have my picture or my logo in the desktop, so I will just select it, choose picture, and here we go. We have our picture. So if you want to change it again, you have just to come to this section, and again you will have to click browse for one, and then you can upload another one. Also, if you don't have already a picture, you can always click camera and you can take a picture instantly and it will be set up as your computer picture. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still need help or assistance with Windows 10 settings or options, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.